Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Yi and I grew up in the beautiful city of Chengdu in Sichuan, China. As the weather is getting cold, I've been having so much hot pot, and it's so important to have a good hot pot soup base for your hot pot. It is no secret that you can find a lot of hot pot soup base from Asian grocery stores. But if you really look at the ingredients, you'll notice that there are a lot of food additives and MSG added in the soup packet. So it's not healthy for your family or friends to consume, especially if you have young children or elderly in your family. So today I want to show you the easiest way to make healthy and delicious hot pot soup bases at home, the spicy soup plus the plain soup. So now let's get started. First, let's make a bone stock for the plain side. I'm using 1 pound of pork ribs and 3 pounds of beef bone. The beef bone will make the soup extra creamy. Add the bones to a pot. Then add water. Bring to boil. Take out the bones. This step removes extra blood and impurities from the bones. Next, let's prepare some aromatics. Slice a spring onion and a large piece of ginger. Add the bones to a pot. Top with sliced spring onion and ginger. Add 8 to 10 cups of water. Bring to boil and remove the foam on top. Lower the heat, cover and let simmer for 2 hours. Next, let's prepare the ingredients for the spicy side. We need 3/4 of a cup chili paste made from hydrated dry chilies. Check out my hot pot base video for how to make this chili paste. Pick not spicy varieties of dry chilies because we don't want the soup to be too hot. Next is Sichuan peppercorn and spice mix. You can find details down below in the description box. 1 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon salted black beans aka 豆豉, and 1 teaspoon rock sugar. In a container, soak the dry spices in Shaoxing wine to release the flavor. Next, we're going to prepare the spicy hot pot base. When bubbles come out, testing with a chopstick, add chili paste. Stir well, fry slowly for 4 to 5 minutes. Add drained spices. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Add Sichuan doubanjiang. Stir fry for another 5 minutes. Add salted black beans. Add rock sugar and Chinese fermented glutinous rice and turn off the fire. The hot pot base is now in a dark red color. Add it to one side of your hot pot. It smells amazing. Now our stock is ready. You can see it is in a creamy white color. Take out the soup and add it to the plain side of the pot. Next, we're going to add additional toppings to add flavor and medicinal value to the soup. Dried morel mushrooms, goji berries, jujube fruit, dried mushrooms, and some extra spring onion and ginger. For the spicy side, simply add water. Top with extra dry chilies. Okay everyone, it's time to have hot pot. This hot pot soup base recipe is made from scratch and it is super tasty. It has a plain side and a spicy side. Great for everyone's taste buds. Let the spicy side boil for another 5 to 10 minutes to release even more flavor. I don't know about you, but my mouth is watering. Let's eat. Making hot pot from scratch is such a satisfying experience and I hope you give it a try. You won't be disappointed by the results. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.